light automatic light app. So it will like show the light, how much brightness it is, and it will also turn on the light automatically if the brightness is very low. So let's start in project. So text is automatic line, automatic light, automatic light. Done. So now it opens, and now align horizontal line. Now theme is device default and title is none. So now we drag a vertical arrangement and align horizontal is to center 3 and align vertical is to center 2. And now height is fill parent and width is also fill parent. So now we bring a user interface, we go to user interface and drag one label, and now the label is font bold and font size is like 30, and text is LUX capital. And now we go to the vertical arrangement and background color is to dark blue, and the LUX thing is like, we go to height and height is 20%. Okay, and now align text alignment is center 1. And now we do the font color is to white, because white will like, it will be clear to see. Now we will copy the label and the text is nothing and the font size is 25. Okay, so now we drag one light sensor from the sensors. We drag one light sensor. Now we go to MIT App Inventor extensions and we scroll down, type an flashlight. And now we scroll down. Now we download the AIX file. The link is also in the description below. Now it is downloading, and now it is downloaded. So now we go to import extension and choose file. Now we go to downloads, go a little down and put away the flashlight. Okay, open, import. Now we drag it in this phone. So now we go to the blocks. So when light sensor, so we go to light sensor, and when light changed, we drag one label, set label 1.text. No, we go to set label 2.text to, no, we set label 1.text to get LUX. So we go to LUX and get LUX. Bring one if then from control. So we drag this, and now we go to maths and drag an equal block, and the equal block we will go and now we duplicate this get LUX and then drag it in here and go to maths block and go here, and the text is 10. So if the get LUX is greater than 10, then call typhon flashlight to get off and set label to. So we can duplicate it, and we can duplicate it. Now label 2 and we go to text, and it will be your flashlight is off. your flashlight. So done. Now we go to the settings thing and we drag one if else if. So now we duplicate this and now we bring it here. So now the text, so now we will just change the side of it. Now it is done and we go to type fun flashlight and on. So now we duplicate the label to one and just change the on to no, the off to on. So now the code is done and let's check it. So now I have connected it. So it is showing 1336. So let's turn off the lights and it is 0. The label 1 is 0 and the flashlight is on. So if we turn on the light again, the flashlight is now off. So thank you. It is working. So thank you. Please subscribe, share and like the video. Thank you.